today's video we will see how to cancel the GTA Plus on Steam, stop auto renewal and recurring billing on PC. So first how to cancel using the Steam desktop app. So open the account details, then click your profile name in the top right corner of the Steam client and select account detail. Now find the subscription. Under the store and purchase history section, you can click on manage subscription. Now the added GTA Plus, you can find the GTA Plus or GTA Online membership in your active list and click edit. Now stop renewal. So select the cancel my subscription and click apply to confirm. Now how to cancel using a web browser. So log in and then go to the official Steam account store page. Now manage the plan. So click manage subscription under the main billing section and then cancel. You can select edit next to the GTA Plus entry and choose the terminate the recurring auto renewals. Now the last important billing rule, you can retain perks. You will keep all GTA Plus in-game bonus and library access until your current 30 days billing cycle ends. Now no partial refund. So Steam does not offer the appropriate refund for cancellation mid month. So goodbye and thanks for watching.